Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today I'm here with my daughter Julia. Hello Julia.
Hello.
And she is 6 years old and ready to help me if I need some help. 85 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z Muscle Mania series. What is the Muscle Mania? Custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town or racing. And here you have that 1985 IROC. Number 1 of 10. This is number 191 of 250 on the year. They're nearing the end. They're definitely nearing the end for the 2021 Hot Wheels. It's a nice looking car. Made in Malaysia. 2 rivets. And you can see inside there. Now let's see how it rolls. Jules, you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. See if I can get that Super Bowl into the picture. Whoa, the flip over.
Nice.
Roll it to me. Let it hit that Super Bowl. Ooh, come back.
It got off the track that time.
Nice, it's on the bigger track. It's a smooth rider. Definitely rides smooth. Woohoo! Nice and fast. Nice. Sweet ride. I had a few friends in the late 80s that had IROCs, including my brother-in-law. One friend had a blue one. That was my favorite. A couple friends had red ones. Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again and checking this out. And as always, please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.
Bye.
Thank you for your help, Julia.
You're welcome.